संसारमा कमै मात्र यस्ता मानिस हुन्छन् जसले आफ्नो देशको कला र संस्कृतिलाई संसारमा चिनाउँदछन् र यस्तै कमै मात्र मान्छे हुन्छन् जसले अरूको देशको कला र संस्कृतिलाई आफ्नो देश र संसारमै चिनाउने गर्दछन्। यस्तै नेपालमा रहेर नेपालको कला र संस्कृति, नेपालका सांस्कृतिक महत्त्वहरूलाई चीन र चीन लगायतका विभिन्न देशहरूमा चिनाउने व्यक्ति हुन् जस्टिन झाओ। काठमाडौँको नागपोखरीमा रहेको हिमालयन कल्चर हाउस, जुन हिमालयन लाइट फाउन्डेसन अन्तर्गत रहेको छ, त्यसका संस्थापक रहेका जस्टिन झाओ नेपालको कला र संस्कृतिलाई चित्रकलाको माध्यमबाट चीन र चीन लगायतका विभिन्न देशहरूमा प्रचार गरिरहेका छन्। हिमालयन लाइट फाउन्डेसन जस्टिनका पिता झाओजिन चाओ र जस्टिन मिलेर खोलेको संस्था हो, जसले नेपालको कला र संस्कृतिलाई चीनमा प्रचार गरिरहेको छ। 2072 साल वैशाख 12 गते गएको विनाशकारी भूकम्पमा नेपालका विभिन्न धार्मिक र ऐतिहासिक सम्पदाहरू ढले। त्यो भूकम्प जानुभन्दा 2 महिना अगाडि जस्टिनका पिता झाओजिन चाओ नेपाल भ्रमणमा आएका थिए। त्यो बेलामा उनले नेपालमा देखेको कला र संस्कृतिको महत्त्वलाई आफू चित्रकार भएका नाताले चित्रमा उतारे र त्यही चित्रहरूलाई प्रदर्शनीमा राखे र त्यहाँबाट सुरु भयो हिमालयन लाइट फाउन्डेसनको यात्रा।
Namaste, I'm Amir Gere, assistant to our art curator Justin Jar. Here, welcome to Himalaya Light Culture House, which is founded and directed by our artist Jia Cho and his son Justin Jar. And today we are at our gallery small house, which we have art, a collection of the books and coffee, and a nice place to sit and have a really taste of the art. So our foundation started back in 2015 when our artist Jia came to visit to Nepal before the earthquake and painted some of these amazing painting with his skills of art, ink and wash painting.
Chinese ink and wash.
So he was able to create this masterpiece, and which we showed later in October in both in Nepal and China, celebrating the 60th Friendship Anniversary at Nepal Art Council, as well as the National Art Gallery of Beijing, right? So let's have a look at our wonderful art.
आफ्ना पिताले कोरेको चित्रहरू सम्झिँदै जस्टिन ती चित्रहरूमा आफ्नो बुवाले व्यक्त गरेका भावनाहरूलाई यसरी व्यक्त गर्छन्।
So my father goes to Halong and Doka to paint many times, and he made friends with the two soldiers whose name he wrote here in Chinese called Rang and Vishnu, and he wrote the dedication of the painting to them in honor of the service. And also he painted the moon and the sun together like the Nepali flag as a tribute to the Nepali palace.
अरनिको राजमार्ग जसले नेपाल र चीनलाई जोड्दछ, त्यसलाई जस्टिनका पिता झाओजिन चाओले यसरी चित्रमा ढालेका छन्।
My favorite painting by my father is it depicts the Aronic Highway which connects Nepal and China. And back in 2015, when we exhibited this work in Nepal Art Council, the Chinese ambassador was very proud and gave a passionate speech under this painting. So we put this in the centerpiece for people to experience the connection of the trans-Himalayan countries and cultures.
नेपाल र चीनलाई हिमालले छुट्याएको छ। हिमालले छुट्याएको नेपाल र चीनलाई एउटा चित्रकारको आँखाले यसरी देख्दो रहेछ।
This is a work that I think kind of symbolizes the spirits of this Himalayan Light Culture House and our mission. This is by a Nepali artist, and he painted a panorama scene of the Himalayas with Tibet, and China to the north, and then Nepal to the south.
Yeah.
And I think it shows us very clearly that the mountain
Is
the border, but it doesn't separate us. It actually connects us.
Connects us, yeah.
People have traveled through the Himalayas to spread culture, And nowadays we also help to establish economic corridors through the Himalayas to connect China and Nepal. So we put this in our library for people
this
to
is a very, very good picture. It shows the exact friendship that we have with China. It's very, very good. Yeah.
चीनले देखेको नेपाल मात्र नभएर नेपाली चित्रकारहरूले देखेको चीनको सभ्यतालाई पनि यसरी हिमालयन कल्चर हाउसले देखाइरहेको छ.
Just like this, we have many art collection from many artists that we sponsor. This painting was particularly from our artist called Prithvi Shrestha, who created and adapted the three holy monkeys. So don't see evil, don't talk evil, don't hear evil. And what he did was created his own face onto these portraits and symbolized these water bubbles as the sign of life. And he also created the chips, which shows that the time has brought us, our world, to modern times, and technology has affected so much.
हिमालयन लाइट फाउन्डेसनले नेपाली चित्रकारहरूलाई पनि प्रचार गरिरहेको छ. पहुँचका कमीले कुण्ठित भएका चित्रकारहरूलाई हिमालयन लाइट फाउन्डेसनले स्पोन्सर गरिरहेको छ.
What our foundation, Human Light Foundation, does is we sponsor every one or two artists every year who are aspiring through sponsoring them with the exhibition at Siddharth Art Gallery in collaboration with Mrs. Sangeeta Thapa, who is the art curator of Siddharth Art Gallery herself. And over the years, from 2017, we have had work with 6 different artists, and these artists comes from those backgrounds who do not have enough financial means to support their artwork, exhibit their artwork. And what we do is to collaborate and give them the platform to enhance and to get to know and get to reach out to people who can help them in their artistic journey.
हिमालय कल्चर हाउस आर्ट ग्यालरी मात्र नभएर यसमा हिमालय लाइब्रेरी पनि रहेको छ, जहाँ गएर मानिसहरूले विभिन्न देशका किताबहरू पढ्दै त्यहाँका भाषा, संस्कृति र देशको बारेमा पनि अध्ययन गर्न सक्दछन्.
So this is a Himalayan library which features books from the whole Himalayan region, including from India to Bhutan and Nepal, which we have all sorts of books on Nepal. And these, what we brought from China, are our English books on different parts of the Chinese culture and information.
So this is all about China, right?
Yes, so this whole section is on China.
So there are different cell about different compartments which represent different books.
Yes.
And this is just about about China.
This is the general of China's own culture and arts and literature. So they're all put in their own category, so people can easily find the information they want.
So this is about China, and this is about...
This is different parts of Chinese province. So we have Tibet, Yunnan, and Xinjiang, because these are the 3 provinces where the Himalayas also, fall into. And
that means the book is also connected to Himalaya.
Yes. So all the books have to do with Himalayan culture.
Okay.
And so across from China to Nepal to South Asia.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So you can just grab a book
and
sit down here
take a
and
seat.
enjoy the view and read the book.
Enjoy the beautiful Naag Pokhri.
Yeah, that's very good.
काठमाडौँको नाग पोखरीमा रहेको हिमालय कल्चर हाउस एउटा त्यस्तो ठाउँ हो जहाँ नेपाल र चीनको सम्बन्ध अझै प्रगाढ भइरहेको छ, जहाँ कलाले मानिसको मनलाई छोइरहेको छ र जस्टिन जस्ता व्यक्तित्वका कारण नेपालका चित्रकारहरूले संसारमा नै आफ्नो नाम अझै उच्च बनाइरहेका छन्.